So, you want to facilitate a retrospective? Well, you've come to the right place.
Absolutely.
Here are 6 tips for helping teams look back so they can move forward.
It all starts with setting the right tone for the meeting, Jessica. For the facilitator, that means being neutral. You're there in service of the team's agenda, not your own agenda. Think of it this way. Facilitators create the container, not the content. The meeting agenda, working agreement, and team norms should allow everyone to come to the event with a sense of curiosity, not anxiety.
During an in-person retrospective, using an object, such as a pen, to represent a problem can help avoid finger pointing. This is called externalization, and it has several psychological and practical benefits, including depersonalization, objectivity, a shared focus, and psychological distance, which all help create a collaborative mindset. For distributed teams, you can ask each team member to grab a pen or similar object, place it to the side of their computer screens, and focus on that object as they talk about the problem.
As we mentioned, the leading indicator of high-performing teams is continuous improvement. Being reminded of that can help team members realize the importance of the sprint retrospective.
Some team members are uncomfortable broaching emotional topics like appreciation or conflict. Facilitators can provide a structure for expressing both appreciation and conflict comfortably.
One idea is having team members write down the conflict for the facilitator to read aloud. Facilitators can also encourage shout-outs, since bragging about another's accomplishments feels less awkward. Like this: Jessica, that time I got mixed up in our workshop, you totally nailed it and brought it home for us.
Oh, thanks, Bryan. And I just want to say I appreciate you for bringing me back pickles every time you go to the break room. For me! In our meeting marathon world, the finish line tempts us. But beware, don't sprint through your retrospectives. Dig deeper, uncover the layers, and tackle the juicy stuff. That's where the real opportunity for improvement can be found.
The team should never walk away from a retrospective empty-handed. End with something actionable, because improvements can only be made by trying new things.
Those are a great set of juicy tips for facilitating retrospectives, Bryan. Now, there's one last important thing to leave you with. The Retrospective Prime Directive, authored by Kerth.
Good point. Let's see if I can quote it. Regardless of what we discover, we understand and truly believe that everyone did the best job they could, given what they knew at the time, their skills and abilities, the resources available, and the situation at hand.
So important. So with retrospectives, it's all about collective ownership and continuous improvement. And now, we're all collectively equipped to keep improving.
We hope you try out these techniques, and we'll see you next time on All Access Agile.